Now I am moving on. So the 4 things just now, right, is something that you have to change for all direct to indirect questions. The next step is to identify what they want exactly. So can you flip to this page? We have statements, 6W, 1H questions, other questions, and commands and requests. Do you have these 4?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so the first one, statements, right? Statements just means when I'm saying something, but I don't expect you to do anything about it. I'm just commenting. So example, right? Daniel left his book in this cupboard yesterday. I'm just telling you, but it's not like I'm instructing you to do anything. So for statements, remember to add in the word that along with the TPTP. So the TPTP, you definitely need to change it already, but you need to add in an additional word that over here. Then for type 2 and 3, as long as it is a question, as long as you see a question mark, what you need to do is, can you draw a star over here? You need to move the verb behind the object. What do I mean by that? Why are you drawing on the wall? So R needs to move to the back. It becomes why he or she was drawing on the wall. Students always forget this important step. They end up writing, why was he drawing on the wall? And that makes it wrong. Okay? If you don't know what the 6W1H is, I'm sure all of you know the 5W1H. Who, what, when, where, why. The additional 6 is which. Okay, for other questions, what you need to do is anything that is not a 6W1H, you need to add in the word if or whether. I personally prefer the word if because if is shorter, less room for careless mistakes. All right, so can everyone circle the word if? All right, and then the last one, commands and requests. I'm sure you know what a command is, right? And I'm sure you know what a request is. So if it's a do command or request, as in do something, you change it to. And if that person says do not, you change it to not to. Please note that you cannot say to not. If you use the words to not, you get it wrong. Okay, so these are the 4 question types. Now let's try a few questions here. Did you forgive your brother for lying to you? Mother asked Kate. Can you tell me if what question type is this? You see the question mark, right? You obviously know it's a question, but what kind of question? Is this a 6W1 question?
This is the if one.
Yes, that's right. So mother asked, remember to write in the person, ask Kate if, and then the next thing you need to do, right? I need you to circle all the words that need to be changed. Remember the TPTP, so you need to change did. What tense is did?
Past.
Yes, so past needs to become, remember the Pokemon evolution, past tense becomes. So here you need to shift did, forgive will become had,
Forgave.
forgave. What's the
Forgiven.
Yes, correct. So had forgiven. So here, had forgiven, you need to shift it to the back. You need to change you, your, you. Therefore, your answer will be if Kate is a girl, right? If she had forgiven her brother for lying to her. Okay? All right.